Mike and Bernie. We've dreamed for years of being able to travel in an RV and see our country. Follow along with us, our dog Winston, and our cat Bud as we chase our dreams.
Today we're at the Wisconsin Dells and we're getting ready to board the boats to take a boat tour up the Wisconsin River. This tour includes a stop at Witch's Gulch, which is a beautiful area. And then we travel on to Leap in the Chasm, where H.H. Bennett took his famous still motion picture still shot of his child jumping from rock to rock. If you're visiting the Wisconsin Dells area, be sure to take this tour. It is very informative and very beautiful, and we had such a great time doing this. So if you get a chance, be sure to take the Dells Goes Boat Tour up the Wisconsin River. Hope you enjoy the video.
He stopped there. I'm probably taking the popcorn out.
Well, probably. That's all right.
Gulch. I did briefly mention to you guys H.H. Bennett, so I'm going to tell you a little bit more about his story and his connection to this place. In the late 1800s, H.H. Bennett was a pretty well-known photographer, but he was really limited and frustrated with technology of his time. If you wanted a photograph of something, it had to stay still for up to 3 or 4 minutes, or else the image could turn out blurry, and he wanted to photograph things in motion and was not able to do so. And so to fix his problem, he invented his own camera called the instantaneous shutter, or the instantaneous snapper. It was made out of cigar boxes and rubber bands, and it's actually the same type of snap action photography that is now used in our cell phones to this day. With this new snapper, he took a photograph of two lumber raftsmen tossing a rope back and forth to each other, and he got a picture where the rope was suspended in midair, so he got very excited in new technology, and he showed it to people, but when others saw it, they called him a liar. They said that the picture was fake, that the rope was just held up by wires. So of course he wanted to prove them all wrong. In 1888, he came out to this exact location where we now stand, put his camera equipment up on that ledge behind you folks. His 14-year-old son, Ashley Bennett, stood up on that rock, and like any good father would, he then told him to jump. Young Ashley jumped a total of 17 times until this photograph that you see right here was taken with him perfectly positioned between those two rocks. H.H. Bennett then submitted this photograph of his son to a photography contest in New York City, where it won first prize and gained a lot of recognition. People wanted to know where they could find these beautiful rock formations, and he of course told them to come right here to Wisconsin Dells. Alright, go for it!
What?
Alright, let's give him a round of applause.
Oh, there he is. Oh, there's two of them. Look,
Oh, good boy.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to make sure you enjoy more adventures and follow us along as we chase our dreams.